everyone, welcome to Kelingo. Many English learners use the phrase I want in every situation. It is not wrong, but sometimes it can sound too direct, especially in professional or polite conversations. If you want to sound more natural, respectful, and fluent in English, you should learn different expressions. In today's video, we will learn useful alternatives to I want that you can use in daily conversations. The first expression is I'd like. This is one of the most common and polite ways to express what you want. For example, instead of saying I want a coffee, you can say I'd like a coffee please. This sounds more friendly and respectful, especially when ordering something or making a request. Second expression is I would love to. We use this when we really want to do something or we feel excited about it. For example, instead of saying I want to travel, you can say I would love to travel. It shows enthusiasm and a positive feeling. Another useful expression is could I have? This is a polite way to ask for something. For example, instead of saying I want some water, say could I have some water please? This expression is very common in restaurants, shops, and daily conversation. The next expression is I'm interested in. We use this when we want to learn, explore, or know more about something. For example, instead of saying I want to learn French, you can say I'm interested in learning French. It sounds more natural and professional. Another phrase is I'm looking for. We use this when we are searching for something. For example, instead of saying I want a new book, you can say I'm looking for a new book. This is useful while shopping or asking for help. You can also say I'm hoping to when you have a goal or wish. For example, I'm hoping to improve my English speaking skills. This sounds polite and shows your future plans. Another expression is I'd prefer. We use this when we have a choice and want one option. For example, I'd prefer tea instead of coffee. This sounds more natural than saying I want tea. A useful phrase is I'd rather. This means you choose one thing over another. For example, I'd rather stay at home today. It is commonly used in conversations. You can also say I'm thinking about when you are considering something. For example, I'm thinking about starting a new course. This shows that you are planning or considering an idea. Another expression is I wish to. This is a more formal way to express a desire. For example, I wish to apply for this position. You can use it in a formal situations like application or professional communication. Now let's practice by changing simple sentences into natural English. Instead of saying I want a job, you can say I'm looking for a job. Instead of saying I want to improve my English, you can say I'm hoping to improve my English. Instead of saying I want this, you can say I'd like this please. Remember, fluent English is not only about grammar. It is also about choosing the right expressions for different situations. These small changes can make your English sound more polite, confident, and natural. Thank you for watching Kelingo. Keep practicing these expressions in your daily life and you will improve step by step. Subscribe for more English lessons, speaking tips, and language learning videos. See you in the next video. Thank you.